Best Available Technologies, BATS, in the textile industry. The acronym BATS stands for Best Available Technologies, used in a specific sector, the textile industry in this case. But what does it mean? Let's analyze it. Best, referring to the most effective and in the reduction of emission and the impact on the environment as a whole. Available, developed on a scale which allows implementation in the relevant industrial sector, under economically and technically viable conditions, taking into consideration costs and advantages. Technologies, including both the technology used and the way in which the installation is designed, built, maintained, operated and decommissioned. BATs are chosen and explained by the European Integrated Pollution and Control Directive Bureau, IPPC, in the BREFS documents. BREF stands for Best Available Techniques. Reference is a document where BAT and emerging techniques are determined in a transparent manner. This document is a main reference for the industrial sector used by competent authorities in 27 member states, but it does not prescribe the use of specific techniques. It only contains recommendations that benefit the company, both in economic and sustainability terms. The path to choose a BAT is interactive and comprises the following steps. Identification of the key environmental issues for the textile sector. Examination of the techniques most relevant to address these key issues. Identification of the best environmental performance levels, on the basis of the available data in the European Union and worldwide. Examination of the conditions under which these environmental performance levels were achieved, such as costs, cross-media effects, and the main driving forces involved in the implementation of the techniques. Selection of the best available techniques, BATs, their associated emission levels and the monitoring system. As our objective is to be more sustainable in the whole process, the technologies selected as BATs can refer to the whole textile value chain, from the raw materials to the final disposal of the product. Nevertheless, BATs have a special focus on specific actions in the production chain due to its specific characteristics, such as fiber preparation, pre-treatment, dyeing, printing and finishing. In order to read about the BATs, you will have to search the BREFS document, available at the European IPPC Bureau website, in the Reference Documents tab, where the document for the textiles industry can be found. The main environmental concerns in the textile industry that the BATs address are air emissions, energy consumption, amount of water discharged and the chemical load it carries, solid wastes and odors, selection of incoming fiber raw material, use of chemicals. BATs are practical examples that help to optimize these factors in order to improve the products at all their stages. A BREF document has the following general structure. Introduction and general information about the sector, applied processes and techniques, emission and consumption levels, techniques to consider in the determination of BATs, BATs conclusions, emerging techniques, concluding remarks and recommendations for future work, annexes and glossary. In the BREF document can be found information related to the latest and most efficient technologies that can make environmental improvements to the traditional processes.